Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to today's segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today we are out here in 3rd Ward and we're showing an urban farmer how to propagate, how to multiply his trees. So please stay tuned.
You see all these limbs? Not this one. So this is your tree. When we come back, this one's already laying on the ground, right? Let me show you this real quick. Take your time. This is all we're getting ready to do right now. Can you guys see that?
I can.
Can you see these roots down here?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
This is all fig tree. That's all fig. Like this right here, not that. But if she clips that, that's all fig tree.
Yeah.
And so what I'm gonna do is take one of those pins there that you got right there. See there, give them to you. Yes, I don't want to destroy them. Take a little dirt with my hand. See that little hole up there? You put this down. Take one of these. Stick it in there. And hose that root system down. Put that dirt over it. Put some of that goat sheep dookie in there. This one.
Not sheep dookie.
Yeah. Straight sheep dookie right on top. Come on in here and get that in there, Phil. And that's it. I might can put a little bit more, a little dry material on there. A little more. And I didn't get the peg in all the way. Let's get it down. So no, let me get another peg. See, I'm sorry. Ground's pretty hard. So let's go back further then, okay?
It might be concrete there.
Yeah, there's some concrete. So what we would do is build the soil up. The same thing.
If you need some
Here,
more
go, look.
soil, I can get.
Here we
Oh,
go
Okay,
right
you got
here,
it?
yeah.
Okay.
So now we got that. We're not gonna waste that. We're gonna slide it right over on top. Right?
Okay.
Now, that's the bark pin. So when we come back, it's gonna be rooted like that, but not that much. And then we're gonna cut it here, and this is gonna be our fig tree. And the figs are gonna pop today, this year, because they're already popping. You feel me?
Yeah,
So it's getting the energy from the main root. We're just propagating. We're gonna cut it right here when we come back, and that's one tree. Let me get no.
Okay. And that's all you have to do.
All I got to do.
You know, I
This is gonna be a big-
recognize.
So this is gonna be a big one, a big fig tree, and this one would go
Oh,
at the
man.
store for about $80.
Wow.
Really?
Yes. Gotta find a spot where it can go through, right? It's the same method. And here's the cap on this one. You see how this one's already on the ground? Sheep dookie.
Coming.
Yeah, we brought this from the farm, the real stuff.
Just gotta cover up a little bit of the actual what's going on. That's it. And this is just the nutrients and the nitrogen that's gonna go inside just to help it pop a little quicker. It doesn't take much of that. Then now, when we come back, we're cutting it right here.
Oh, okay.
And then we got one that's twice as big as that one. That one will still go for $15
Right.
if we were selling it.
Okay.
Now how it works, huh? And I'm gonna go around this tree.
All right.
And do a bucket. CC, you do one.
Okay, that's amazing. That's exactly what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
Another
feel
clip,
good
CC.
about it. Yeah, because it gives off some really good figs. I have figs that I've dried from maybe at least 2 years ago. That,
Here, let me show you. Come on, right here.
so yeah, this is great.
Here's an example. Come on, Ray. Here's what we're gonna. This is what it's gonna look like when we come back. The little root systems that are gonna be on the bottom of the tree that I just did are gonna look like this.
Okay, love it.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then you clip this here. That's fig trees.